Hey everyone, I'm James and I'm from Dimples, and this is one of our fantastic toppers, and I just want to show you this is how it ships. Okay, so we have this bag and inside is the topper. You can see the label in here, and I'm going to take it out real quick. Ta-da! There goes the bag, and this is the hang tag of the label, and it has this little net in it to hold all the hair together. So I'll remove the net, voila, there it goes, and then here's the hang tag, sometimes clipped into the last clip at the back. And you always know where the back is because the hang tag hangs from the back, okay? And you just cut that off when you're ready and you're sure you want to keep it, and all the details are there on the tag. Now, when you get your topper or wig, right, it is not styled. Currently, Dimples does not pre-style any topper or wig. So if you put your topper on, you're gonna have this very unnatural part, okay? It will not look good. This is a fantastic handmade topper. So you're gonna see Pat, what she's gonna do to do a quick transformation to make a beautiful part, and that's the way to do it before you put your new topper on.